We've had a rather windy afternoon with gusts up to around 40 miles per hour at times. Starting to see those winds calm down, though, as we get closer to sunset. You can see the current wind gusts roughly at about 30 to 35 miles per hour. The farther west you move, the more we're beginning to see those winds calm down, and that'll be the general trend over the remainder of this evening as calmer conditions slide in from west to east, so we don't have to deal with those winds for too much longer. That's partly because this powerful low pressure near Toronto, Canada is a big reason why we're so windy. This is for a couple low pressures merging as of last night, resulting in an even stronger low. Lower the pressure, usually the stronger the winds and the gusty conditions. So that's what was driving the winds today. We look for that to move out tonight, which means those winds will continue to calm. Now, if you're heading east, going into Chicago tonight, you can see that they are dealing with some spotty showers and even a few thunderstorms, even still getting some light raindrops popping up near Belvedere, south of Woodstock, near Elgin. So we will continue to see these very spotty rain showers linger for at least another hour or so, and then things after that will be dry across the board. But again, if you're heading in that direction, heading to Chicago tonight, be ready for at least some wet roads and a little rainfall. You can see some of those cloudy conditions off in the distance. A little closer to home, we're staying mild and right at about 60 with the winds continuing to settle through sunset. After that, staying mild and slightly breezy as we go throughout the remainder of this evening. Either way, an easy way to get into the weekend with comfortable conditions. Later tonight, it does get a little chilly. We're down into the upper 30s under a mainly clear sky with some breezy winds continuing. And then we get into the weekend. The wind calms down plenty and the temperature starts cranking up. Low 70s for tomorrow, right at about 80 degrees or just south of that for Sunday. This would be one of the warmest days of the year so far. So look for some summer-like heat as we get into Sunday. Sunday's record, by the way, is 85, so we're likely going to fall short of that. That kind of weather, though, upper 70s feels a lot more like June 4th, so we're getting, again, almost literal summer preview here as we head into Sunday. Then we cool off next week, which when we go from very warm near record territory in April back down to average, we do see the chance for some strong, possibly even severe thunderstorms. You can see there may be an outbreak across a lot of the Midwest on Tuesday if ingredients are able to line up just right. So stay with the 13 Weather Authority over the weekend as we continue to watch that potential threat going into Tuesday. Still in the 70s at that point, and then we cool off. You can see about a week from today, down to 50 for a high after some scattered showers and storms possible Wednesday and Thursday. In your most accurate 10-day forecast, after a few days in the 70s, we're going to stay in the 50s for a while. In fact, rather cold end next week, especially compared to the heat we'll feel this weekend.